Wife.
Well, it's a father-son relationship. I'm the father. He's the son.
Wow.
Slap. Smolder.
Smolder harder, Jude.
I like cooking with her because she actually knows what she's doing rather than my mom saying, here's a recipe, figure it out.
You're combining all these foods that you would have thought, ew, that's absolutely disgusting. It smells like feet.
I can get a little wild.
They call it a spreadable salami. Does that sound appetizing?
No.
Do you trust me?
No.
Ever in the history of food. Oh.
We all gotta do. We all gotta do it to celebrate the pie. Cheers.
She's home.
Oh no. Take a snack stick, you're gonna stuff it inside this marshmallow, and we gotta taste test it. It's good? It's good?
Top 10 snack of 2022.
You heard it here first, folks. Top 10 snack of 2022.